Hey, y'all, I want to talk about sharing and URL structure on the new CodePen 2.0. We used to have all these views in the classic editor, like full page view and details view and stuff that were different URLs, and they're just not different URLs anymore, but you get the same functionality. So let's say I built this preview, but I don't really want people necessarily needing to look at the code or look at the file drawer. I can just get the UI how I want it, saying, I just want to see the preview. I don't need this open. And now that I have it looking how I want to share it, how I want other people to see when they open it, I can say click link with layout. And if I paste that in here, you'll see this show equals preview. That's what this is going on. And there's no panel open. So if I were to like paste that URL in, I'm getting this exact view when I open it up, which is essentially full page view. If I open up the comment details and comments panel over here, you can kind of see the comments, focus on that. If I copy that with layout, I can look at this URL here and it's saying still show the preview, but have the panel be equal to details here. And it's going to make sure that the details panel is open when they visit it. That's the nature of this. This is all kind of documented in our sharing with all the different query parameters that we support. We're trying to make it easy to just copy and paste that based on what you're looking at in the editor right there. But if you want to manually control it, you can. So let's say I refresh this page. I want to share it with this file open and the console open because I'm doing some fun stuff in the console. If I get the UI looking like that and just say copy link with layout and paste it in here, you can kind of see that that URL is going to have console equals true in it, and the file is going to be pointing to, that's a URL encoded / to the script.js file. So that's what we're shooting for there. We have control over that. There's just a few more here. One of them is if I invite somebody to this, that user then will be in collab mode with me automatically when they visit this pen. It's not a special URL. They're just in collab mode automatically when we're both on the same pen, and they have the access that they're supposed to have when they arrive here. No special URL. The last one is presentation mode. So let's say I'm kind of just working away normally, perhaps in the split view that's typical of all this, but I want to present this. I can go Command K, that's the omnivar, and type presentation mode. That's what we used to call it. Now you're still on the same URL, but we've hidden the footer, we've hidden the sidebar entirely, we've minimized the header. This is useful for at a conference talk perhaps, or within videos or on an overhead projector, that kind of thing, to maximize the space usage, get rid of a lot of the distractions. It's using minimal UI view, but instead of it saving to your account as your permanent setting, it's just temporary and you can exit it at any time. But while you have it on, if you copy link with layout, you'll see that the presentation mode is true as a query parameter, and then if you visit that, it will automatically be on. So that's how presentation mode works now. That's it.